Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Now today we'll learn another topic, that is multiplication using CRISS CROSS method 3 digit by 3 digit. So this is the extension of the last method that we've learned. So here in this video we will be learning how to multiply 3 digits by 3 digits. So now let's understand by taking example. So here we have 3 digits both the sides. So first of all, what we do is we take out the number of partitions. So the total digits are 6. So 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So total there has to be 5 partitions. So make 5 partitions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll write the numbers 5 to 5 and 8 to 1. Now we'll start multiplying. In the first partition we will multiply 5 by 8. In the last partition, we multiply 5 by 1. Now, in the second partition, we'll multiply these two numbers diagonally and add them. That means that 5 will be multiplied by 2 plus 8 will be multiplied by 2. And in the fourth partition also, we will multiply these two sets of numbers diagonally and add them. That means 2 will be multiplied by 1 plus 2 will be multiplied by 5. And in the third partition, 5 will be multiplied by 1 plus 8 will be multiplied by 5 plus 2 will be multiplied by 2. So now here in the first partition we get 40. In the last partition we get 5. Here 5 plus 2 gives you 10 plus 16. So we get 26. And here in the fourth partition, 2 plus 10, we get 12. Now let's solve the third partition. So 5 ones are 5 plus 40 plus 4. So we get 49 in the third partition. So now let's arrange the numbers 40, 26, 49, 12 and 5. Now leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the partitions. So we will use the chain addition wherever we have 2 digits. So this 1 will go and add up over here. This 4 will go and add up over here. And this 2 will go and add up over here. So here we get 5, 2, 1 plus 9 gives you 10. So 0 over here and 1 over here. 6 plus 4 gives you 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 over here and 1 over here. Now 2 plus 1 gives you 3 plus 0 gives you 3 and here we get 4. So 4, 3, 1, 0, 2, 5 is the answer. Now let's take the last example, that is 321 multiplied by 162. Here also we'll find the number of partitions first. So the total number of digits are 6. So 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So now let's arrange the number in the certain order, that's 3, 2, 1. 1, 6, 2, and let's make the partitions now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the first partition we multiply 3 by 1. In the last partition we multiply 1 by 2. In the second partition we multiply these set of numbers diagonally and add them. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6. And in the fourth partition also we multiply these set of numbers diagonally and add them. So that will be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 1. Now for the third partition we multiply extreme diagonal numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus we will multiply the opposite numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 6. So here in the first partition we get 3, in the last partition you get 2, and here in the second partition 2 plus 18 we get 20, and in the fourth partition 4 plus 6 we get 10. And now let's solve the third partition. So we get 6 plus 1 plus 12, so we get 19 over here. Now let's arrange the numbers, that are 3, 20, 19, 10 and 2. As we know that leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the other partitions. So wherever we have 2 digits, we'll use the chain addition. So this 1 will go and add up over here. This 1 will go and add up over here. And this 2 will go and add up over here. So we get 2, 0, 1 plus 9 gives us 10. So 0 over here and 1 over here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. And 2 plus 3 gives you 5. So 52002 is the final answer. I hope you've understood this method well, and I request you all to please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys, and please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.